Take a ride in the 2017 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, anti-theft security system, braking assist, tire pressure monitoring system, rear view camera, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, MP3 player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.